For food manufacturers, a lot of their magic potion for success is within their recipe information. Despite this being so critical to their business, they don't always have the right tools to store, manage, and analyze this information. How are you currently storing and managing your best kept secrets? How are you keeping up with evolving consumer demands and ensuring your business continues to innovate their product line? I'm Diego Mosquera, Director of Client Services for Inecta Food. I have been working directly with small, medium, and large-sized manufacturers for over 15 years. I have assisted them to go from paper-managed processes to getting a proper ERP system implemented as they scale for growth. If you do not yet have a true ERP system, chances are you are relying on an Excel or paper-based solution or on someone's expertise. You can imagine the risk with this. What if your paper or Excel database gets lost or corrupt? What if that one resource who was your subject matter expert leaves your organization? Inecta Foods Recipe Granule has been designed to ensure you have the tools and systems in place not only to store your recipes, but also to report against and maintain a growing database. All of this, of course, is securely stored in the cloud, meaning you and your team have access to this anywhere at any time. Another key feature of our recipe granule is that it's set up to connect with the USDA database to import nutritional facts for raw materials, even allowing you to generate labels with this information. Most food manufacturers invest heavily in R&D to drive product innovation, keep up with evolving consumer demands for health, safety, and sustainability while trying to keep up with market trends. Despite this being a critical part of business growth, most ERP solutions do not have the tools to keep up with this. Within our Inecta Food Recipe Granule, we have true R&D functionality to address the ever-growing complexities of modern food manufacturers. Inecta Food has the ability to add or edit ingredients on the fly to account for various purchase scenarios. This gives you the opportunity to truly test different options and analyze costs before actually finalizing a recipe. Additionally, it allows for the calculation of total market and labor costs, supports margin analysis, and enables true version control for these recipes. So you can keep track of all the different changes that have occurred over time and use that data to make more informed decisions as you move forward. So, if you are looking for a solution to securely store and manage your recipes, with all the added benefits of Inecta's functionality crafted specifically for manufacturers, don't hesitate to contact us.